Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video number 129. So yeah, we got our earnings for the day. Down here, as you see, 0.44%. So it looks like I made 93.12 is what I wrote down here. I added this up earlier. So 93.12 was earnings for today. So if I go to my investments page here, guys, you will see. Here we go, $1,346.97. So I made this amount of money, guys, in 27 days because that's when I last resetted my investments. So again, the investments after 30 days, you can't combine them. They're basically going to be stagnant and untouchable. So by combining, meaning that you can't check these, like these will turn into X's basically forever. So what I'm going to do is when this reaches 28 days, which will be tomorrow around this time, I am going to tomorrow, meaning tomorrow evening, of course, if you guys, I'm not sure when you guys are going to be watching this video. So tomorrow evening, which is April 18th, because today is April 17th, I'm going to be combining both of these or actually all three of these investments. It'll combine into one, which will be 25,200. So that'll be now my total deposit principal here. And all this money, whatever is in here, so it'll be all this plus whatever I get tomorrow, will go up to the top right. And at that point, I'll have access to the funds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, if you guys see my last video, you know what I'm going to do. But if you haven't, I'm going to take $800 of all this money combined, whatever it is tomorrow, and I'll reinvest it back into the principal here, guys. So this is going to go to 26,000, and then I'm going to take the remainder, and I'm going to withdraw the remainder. So that's kind of how things are going to go tomorrow. So just letting you guys know about that. And yeah, so when you see me in my video tomorrow, you're going to see me do this whole process. I'm going to do live for you guys, so you can kind of see me doing it. I won't do the withdrawal tomorrow because what I plan on doing is the withdrawal on Friday. Tomorrow's Tuesday. So that's going to happen on Friday. So if you check my couple of videos after that, you will see it. And yeah, guys, look at this. I've made over 24,000. Yeah, basically $24,200 in S Group since I joined about 2.5 years ago now. And that is just having the money invested in the system, guys. And as time passes on, before you know it, this just keeps jumping up. This keeps going up. Once I get to the total deposits, once this gets like 30,000, I will be making $100 USD per day, guys. And that's just going to continue to keep growing and growing. So if you guys are checking out this video for the first time, you want to get in on this, click on the sign up button down below. You can sign up to my S Group team, and I'll show you how to do everything here. Basically, there's 4 different areas you can invest in: Forex, S Pharmaceutical, SIPO, liquidity mining. I've been doing Forex for a while. I might eventually get an S Pharmaceutical maybe in a year or two. But my goal really is to get this to 50,000. I think once this gets to 50,000, I'm going to start investing in these other ones. So that's going to be coming probably the next like year and a half. But for the time being, I'm enjoying the money, and yeah, things are running really well here, guys. This is the last tier. Right here, I just graduated to this one a few weeks ago. So I'm going to be going up to this tier. So this video, I just want to make a quick video to show you guys my progress. Yeah, like I said, the next video I'm going to do tomorrow, I'm going to do everything in real time. Once we get paid, I'll just be checking all these 3 boxes, clicking on combined deposits, and this is going to go to the top right, and then I'll have access to the funds. So you see what it says here is, it is possible to combine deposits, the term of which does not exceed 30 days. See, so it can't be more than 30 days. The deposits, it is possible to combine the deposits 3 times within 90 days. So, but I believe it's 3 times starting from 90. It's 3 times within 90 days from the time you combine. But anyways, I'm getting towards the end of the video here, guys. I wanted to make it 5 minutes. Don't want to make it too long to bore you guys out with the details. So again, click on the sign up link down below to sign up with S Group. Join my team. I'll show you everything and explain everything. Shoot me an email. Email is in the description. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel and you can see all my updates and the way I work the system and the progress and everything. So On that note, I'll see you guys on the next video when I do, my combine and reinvestment. So take care and have a nice night.